चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And we begin first up with a top focus this morning. It is the 18th session of the Lok Sabha that would commence today and end on 3rd of July. The first session will include oath taking and affirmation of newly elected members of parliament, the election of the speaker, as well as an address by President Draupadi Murmu, which will take place on 26th of June. Let's go across to Harsha. She's joining us live from Vijay Chowk. Harsha, it's going to be a showdown of sorts today in the parliament, we understand. But one of the top focus for the parliamentarians is also going to be the NEET scam investigation.
So Samiksha, right now reporting from the new parliament. Behind me is the new parliament building. The 18th Lok Sabha of the parliament will commence today. This is the first session of the 18th Lok Sabha, and we saw several proceedings in the 17th Lok Sabha of the parliament. But today is going to be very interesting because in this 18th Lok Sabha today, the newly elected 545 member of parliament will be administrating their oath ceremony, and that is the reason why today most of the member of parliament will be reaching at around 9 o'clock. The very important meeting. Prime Minister is going to meet all the newly elected member of parliament, and also the pro tem speaker Bharturi Mehtab has been given the responsibility for the assignment of the oath ceremony of the newly elected member of parliament, and he will be assisted by BJP Lok Sabha MPs Radha Mohan Singh and Faggan Singh Kulaste. Also opposition MPs K. Suresh and DMK leader T.R. Balu have been given the opportunity to assist Pro Tem Speaker Bharturi Mehtab in the oath ceremony of the newly elected member of parliament. But today there are going to be several issues which opposition is going to raise inside the parliament. The first and foremost being the NEET issue, which opposition has decided to take up in the parliament. Inside parliament, the Prerna Sthal has been shifted, the earlier place of protest which used to be. But today the opposition has decided to take up the matter before the oath ceremony at around 10 o'clock inside the parliament. Also, we have got to know the DMK leader T.R. Balu and Congress leader K. Suresh are not going. They have denied they are not going to assist Pro Tem Speaker in the oath ceremony of the newly elected member of parliament. So today the entire top focus and attention going to be in this new parliament. Several procedure and guidelines have completely been changed in this first session of 18th Lok Sabha. For an example, like the security protocols have been completely handed over to the CISF body, and also we know that this time 50% of the member of parliament will be allowed to park their car outside the parliament but not the inside. We have also got to know that most of the family members of the newly elected members of parliament will be arriving today to witness the oath ceremony of the respective family members. So this is the latest what we are gathering from inside the parliament. But today also there is going to be so many attention points inside parliament, because the entire focus of opposition is going to be on the pro tem speaker and also on the NEET fiasco. What we have learned so far is that the opposition is going to demand the discussion in this 18th Lok Sabha on the NEET issue, and that is the reason the first statement is going to come out from the RJD MP Manoj Jha at 9 o'clock. So we have to wait and watch exactly how the entire day is going to transform. But yes, we know that since 11 o'clock till the evening 5 or 6 o'clock, the oath ceremony will be taking and will be underway inside parliament. Back to you.
Harsha, stay with us. That's exactly the point I was coming to. The election of the pro tem speaker. The opposition has raised resistance when it comes to the election of the pro tem speaker. Why is it that they would want K. Suresh to be chosen over the elected pro tem speaker in this case? What exactly is the justification for choosing, for the opposition wanting K. Suresh to be chosen as the pro tem speaker?
So the appointment, Samiksha, the appointment of the pro tem speaker took place 4 days back when Parliamentary Affairs Minister Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju announced that the pro tem speaker is Bhartuhari Mehtab. He is the 7-time Lok Sabha MP who represents the Cuttack Lok Sabha, and the opposition has been stating that this is the injustice cited on the opposition because K. Suresh is the longest serving member of parliament in the parliament. He has served 8 times, and why the opportunity was denied to him. But Kiran Rijiju, Parliamentary Affairs Minister, clearly stated that the rule book says, Samiksha, that a member of parliament has to be continuously member of parliament for this till the 7th or the 8th term if he wants to be the pro tem speaker. In the case of K. Suresh, twice he was defeated. That is the reason why he could not be given the opportunity as a pro tem speaker. There was a break in his Lok Sabha tenure, while in case of Bhartuhari Mehtab there was no break. He was continuously member of parliament, and that is the reason he has been considered by the government to be the pro tem speaker. There's no injustice cited upon the opposition leaders. This Kiran Rijiju clearly stated, and there's going to be no backing from the side of government. Bhartuhari Mehtab will only today indict the oath ceremony of the newly elected member of parliament, and the ruling party and the government has left it to the opposition whether they want to assist Bhartuhari Mehtab or not. It is up to them. But the BJP MPs Radha Mohan Singh and Phaggan Singh Kulaste, they both will be with pro tem speaker to assist the oath ceremony of the newly elected member. So now we see a political row has erupted inside parliament on the pro tem speaker, and this will get to know today itself when K. Suresh and DMK leader T.R. Balu will not assist the Bhartuhari Mehtab. So this was the political row and uproar on the selection of Bhartuhari Mehtab as the pro tem speaker. But the 26th of June is going to be very interesting because the actual election of the speaker of the parliament, speaker of the Lok Sabha, will take place on 26th, and more ruckus will be seen inside parliament in the coming days. Back to you.